In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your side marker bulb, which is this one right here. It's a 194 bulb, and you can get it from right behind the fender liner. Come in through the fender well, move your fender liner out of the way, and you can see that's the bulb that we're after. Turn it counterclockwise to unlock it, pull it straight out, and there is your 194 marker light bulb. Pull the bulb out of the socket and go get yourself a new one. To reinstall, put the bulb back in the socket and line it up with the headlight. Go ahead and twist it into place until it locks in, and then always do a light check to make sure everything works.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.